What is difference between compiler and interpreter? Compiler means it executes the entire program. Interpreter means it executes the program line by line. For example, here I have Java code. When I execute using Java C, C means compiler. Here I got so many errors. But whereas in Python, with same code with Python syntax, it executes two print statements, that is, hello world, subscribe. In compiler scenario, if program don't have errors, then only it show output. But in interpreter, if program have errors, if previous lines don't have errors, it executes and shows output. After that it shows error. Remember, if error encoder in interpreter, if the next lines don't have errors, the execution stop at error stage. It won't execute after.